The Lenovo ThinkCentre Neo 50, a 24 Gen 6 LNL, is an all-in-one AIO desktop built around Intel's Lunar Lake architecture, Core Ultra Series 2. By pairing efficiency-focused Lunar Lake chips with an integrated form factor, it offers near-silent operation and high AI processing capacity in a minimal desk footprint. Core specifications breakdown. Processor options: Intel Core Ultra 5226V 8C/8T up to 4.5 GHz, or Core Ultra 7256V 8C/8T up to 4.8 GHz. Graphics: integrated Intel Arc 130V Ultra 5 or Arc 140V Ultra 7. AI capabilities: integrated Intel AI Boost NPU delivering up to 115 total platform tops. Memory: hit the like button and subscribe to unlock future content. 16 GB LPDDR5X 8533. Memory on package /soldered, non-upgradable. Storage: up to 1 TB M.2 2280 PCIe 4.0 by 4 NVMe SSD. Display: 23.8-inch FHD, 1920 by 1080, IPS, 250 nits, 100 Hz, 99% sRGB, touchscreen optional. Audio and camera: dual 3W Harman speakers, 5.0 MP camera with physical privacy shutter. Power supply: compact 90W external power adapter. Connectivity and ports: the architecture distributes physical ports to reduce clutter on office desks. Left side ports: 1x USB-C, 10 gigabits per second with 15W power delivery. 1x 3.5mm headphone/microphone combo jack. Hit the like button and subscribe to unlock future content. Rear ports: 1x USB-A, 10 gigabits per second. 2x USB-A, high-speed 2.0. 1x HDMI out 2.1. 1x HDMI in 1.4. Allows using the AIO purely as an external monitor. And 1x gigabit Ethernet RJ45. Wireless: Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax, 2x2 and Bluetooth 5.2. Security and business management. ThinkShield Security includes a firmware-based trusted platform module, FTPM 2.0 chip. Physical security features a standard Kensington security slot for cable locking. eShutter, electronic toggle switch to instantly cut off power to the integrated webcam. Key highlights and architectural advantages. High-efficiency architecture, because Lunar Lake uses memory on package, MOP, RAM fused directly onto the processor. Thermal output is reduced, enabling extremely quiet operation under standard office workloads. Hit the like button and subscribe to unlock future content. On-device AI engine. The dedicated NPU provides local execution for Copilot Plus features, automated background blur, eye tracking, and ambient audio noise suppression without draining overall CPU headroom. Integrated display connectivity. Offers both HDMI out for external monitors and HDMI in, allowing the AIO to serve double duty as a standalone monitor for a secondary laptop or device. Desk cable management. Features side-accessible USB-C, 10 gigabits per second with 15W power output, and audio jacks alongside rear-routed I/O ports for cleaner cable routing. Hardware note: the 16 gigabytes LPDDR5X RAM is soldered directly onto the Lunar Lake SoC. If your workflows require more system memory for heavy virtual machine hosting or large data processing, ensure 16 gigabytes aligns with your long-term requirements prior to deployment. Hit the like button and subscribe to unlock future content.